Good afternoon, folks. It's Lars here down at Stettler Dodge. I got another truck I'm going to show you. It's a 3/4 ton Power Wagon, and the stock number is RT804. So we're going to do a little bit of a walkthrough on it and go through it with you. So off the bat, you can see that it's a Hemi 6.4 inch, or a 6.4 liter, I should say, and with 17-inch tires. And as we come around to the front, you got the wrench in the front of it here, so that's from the factory that comes like that, with the tow hooks and nice HID headlights in here. As you can see, the fender flares on it, the two-tone, the black on the bottom. They put some black running boards, and you got your trailer tow mirrors as well. And you can see it comes with a tonneau cover on this one. As we come around the back, you can then see you got your sensors and a backup camera, and then your plug-in for your 4-pin and 7-pin, and then your hitch here. And so you open this up, you can have a look inside there, and obviously you can get that sprayed if you ever wanted to. We'll keep coming around to the back side here, and we'll open up the back. This is a crew cab, so here you get the nice rubber floor mats. That's coming with it, and then you got your storage compartment in here for water and whatever else you would like to put in there. As we open this up, again, this will fold out, and this will hold up to 400 pounds, and this will go straight all the way across. And then either side you'll have compartments to put your safety kits. This one is equipped with upgraded sound system, so we'll have the subwoofer in on the other one. And I'll pull out the key. So you got your keyless entry, and you got your remote start, so that's a nice feature to have. We'll, as we open up the driver's side, here you come up to the door locks and windows, power mirrors, automatic headlights. Obviously, this is with a bench because your 4x4 system is on the floor, so you'll have that, and then the lumbar support and power seats and stuff like that. But we'll hop on the inside, start it up, so we can have a look at the rest of the options there. All right, so here we are on the inside. It is equipped with a trailer brake, and also has heated seats and a heated steering wheel. You got your anti-spin traction control, your tow haul, your hill descent, and you can also turn off the rear sensors in the back there as well. Dual climate control, and here you'll have your different options. You can access the backup camera on the fly. Turns on automatically when you're backing up, and then you got your inverter here. Obviously here's your disconnect sway bar that you can do, so if you're going to go off-roading, you have that for your front and rear, and the rear lock and axle unlock, depending on what it is that you would like to do there. And a couple plug-ins down here for USB, and then another plug-in if you wanted to charge another device. We'll open this up in here for you. And here you can see you got your plug-in for an SD card, USB, auxiliary, and another plug-in there for you, and a little bit of storage here for you as well. And then even a much bigger one, and down here they have a CD player that's been put in, and a little bit of storage in there side of there for you. Obviously you got your controls, your cruise control. Truck has 54,315 kilometers on it. Here's your rear mirror. These are your mics just on above here for you. And then you got a garage door opener. Your back window will open up in here. And then of course the sunroof in this truck here as well for you. So we come down, check it out. Drives really nice, really comfortable, smooth. You can buy this truck right now for $47.5. And thanks for watching this video, and you can also see me on Driving Cars with Lars. So thanks so much.